Hi, welcome to More Chai and L. Today we're here in town in Amsterdam trying to introduce people into our beautiful tea.
Exactly, into our beautiful tea culture with a bit of voice cracks added to it, right? So actually, Joanna, we're here at a very special spot, right? Because Amsterdam opened up completely, right? Everything is bruising with life, bustling even. And we're gonna give some tea to people and I'll have to make sure this is them. So, you'll be infusing right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I think we're just at the right place to find some people who really like to experience something out of this world. So let's go. Don't cover the top, guys. You need to leave the hole, yes.
Sorry. I got it now.
Okay,
Yes,
great. So guys, while we're doing this, I'm gonna actually take a moment to talk about the tea we're serving, right? You may find us in a cool district in Amsterdam, which is also known for its amazing mind-altering substances. And we have gotten ourselves some of our Alisham GABA cha, right? And yes, indeed. That's a wonderful tea of itself because it really gets you into a different mindset, right? It gets you into a bit of a different vibe. So it's great if you want to talk about the higher matters of this world, right? So it's really a cool one to use together with friends and family, right? To really get that weird tea experience. So you can really experience some kind of tea drunkenness from that. And we hope that Amsterdam is also ready to experience that kind of stuff. Yeah, shake it a bit so that the aromas can release themselves. And soon we're actually going to bless some people with some very great tea. Sure. Joanna?
I will pour it for you.
Pleasure, right?
Yes.
Of course, going around the city, just actually checking how people react to real tea culture. So, ta-da! Enjoy, guys.
Here you go.
Drink the little bits as well, yeah.
Yeah, it's really small cups because you really need to experience the aroma and the taste itself, right? So this is actually from the highest mountains of Taiwan.
Hi! Would you guys like to try some tea?
More like beer, huh?
That's the alcohol.
No alcohol.
No alcohol. Okay.
It's a very good tea, actually.
Tea hot?
Well, the tea is very hot, actually.
Yeah.
Joanna makes
Spill the
fresh
tea.
one.
Spill the tea.
Let's spill it.
I spill the tea, honey.
Okay. We're just kind of in Amsterdam checking what people think of real tea, right?
Okay.
Because you know, in
The real
Netherlands,
deal.
the real deal.
Okay.
In Netherlands, you don't really have, like, you only have Pickwick and Lipton.
Yeah, it's like generic, like basic.
So Joanna is actually now going to enlighten you with the.
Oh, enlighten me!
You want to feel enlightened?
Yes, please, I do.
It's probably pretty hot. But you can handle this.
I'm hot as well, you know.
Oh yeah, so
Right.
it goes naturally. Right? What do you think?
Very nice. It's not very strong, but it tastes like real, yeah, like organic.
Well, it tastes organic, yeah.
Yeah.
Hi! Would you like to try a cup of tea?
No, thank you.
No, it's only tea?
Yes, we have tea.
Oh, sorry.
Alright.
Don't have alcohol, I'm so sorry.
Okay, sorry. Good luck for you.
Thank you.
School in your country?
Well, Russian, Poland. So.
Oh, right. In Russian they say? Nezrobi.
Prost.
Salute.
Yeah, you like it?
Oh, man. Oh, man, this is going to be a great night. It's going to be fantastic. Nezrobi to everybody in Russia.
Yes.
This is the shit.
Exactly, I agree. Shaking.
More. Yes. Great job, guys. You're famous now. Show me some moves.
That's a tea. Taiwan, you think? Alright. Let us know what you think.
It's good for tea.
Okay, so So after you taste it, would you describe it? Would you feel? Would you like it?
It's lekker.
Yeah? Nice?
Yeah, it's lekker.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we really got some amazing reactions. Some people didn't like it, which is also completely fine, because this is just one of the 90 tastes we have, and it's going to be a crazy day tomorrow at the opening, I'm sure. Thank you, Joanna, for being such a nice tea hostess together with us. You know? And thank you guys for joining us in this video. So like, follow, subscribe, everything. See you on the next. Bye bye.